Birds, 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 folks. Birds, birds, birds. Whoa. What is that? Is that a boat? Is that the front of a boat? That looks like a boat under the water there. Doesn't it? Right there, like a kayak or something that's buried.
I'll check it out.
Huh. Interesting. Green?
Well, I see what you're talking about.
Huh.
It's hard to make it out.
Later on this year, just like last year, there'll be grapes aplenty in the area that's just in front of us here. Last year we came up and conquered grapes as far as we could tell. They've gone wild now. They call them fox grapes, I guess, but they were conquered by the taste of them. I think they're even starting to come in now, vine-wise at least. Somebody's in trouble.
It must almost be to the end.
Yes. Lots of tires here. Look at them all. Just below the surface of the water.
Look at all the tires. This is like tire corner here.
Yes, it is.
The water temperature feels pretty nice.
Yeah.
You could definitely jump in this one.
Yeah, this could be a good day for that.
We got a little shade here.
Yeah. Time to time we've been able to get through here, but I don't think this is one of those times. Let's see. Looks like we just hang out right here. Yeah, we can go a little further, but even if we get by this, it's only another couple of 100 feet.
Yeah. And that area like is rushing pretty good in there.
Yeah.
It'd be a little challenging to get by.